Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the problem area carefully. Look for cracking, bloom, or lifted edges. Use a soft brush to remove surface dust and a low moisture swab to test solubility in a hidden spot. If the paper is warped, weigh it flat between blotters. Once dry, make sure to work on a stable, horizontal surface. Prepare small amounts of distilled water and a soft palette knife for gentle lifting, and have absorbent paper ready to catch excess moisture. You now consolidate loose pigment by applying a dilute adhesive, about 10 to 20% gum arabic or a compatible acrylic medium, using a fine brush under the lifted paint. Work from the edge inward. Once adhesive flows, press the paint down lightly with a clean blotter or miler and let it set. For opaque bloom, gently dry brush with soft natural hair to reduce sheen, and where needed use minute mechanical abrasion with a rubber eraser, crumb on a swab to realign texture without disturbing surrounding layers. You finish by retouching losses with carefully matched gouache, mixing pigments to match value and local saturation. Apply in thin layers and unify edges with a dampened soft brush. Once color is stable and dry, consider a light, reversible conservation-grade matte spray only if the surface needs protection. Make test sprays first. If the painting remains tacky, check humidity and let it acclimate. If cracking or staining returns, consult a professional conservator. This prevents accidental irreversible damage and ensures long-term stability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.